TikTok is awash with people grilling hot dogs still in the plastic packaging.
When it comes to quick meals, BBQ nights, and game day snacks, hot dogs are one of the most popular foods people grab without thinking twice. They're cheap, convenient, and everywhere, from grocery stores to street carts. But here's the truth most shoppers don't realize. Not all hot dogs are created equal. Some brands focus on quality and taste, while others cut corners in ways that might surprise you. And once you know what really goes into certain products, you may never look at the hot dog aisle the same way again. Many shoppers assume that if a brand is popular or widely available, it must be trustworthy. But popularity doesn't always mean quality. In fact, some of the biggest names on supermarket shelves are often the ones people question the most once they start paying attention to ingredients, texture, and overall value. The packaging can look appealing, the price might seem right, and the marketing can sound convincing. Yet what's inside may not match expectations. That's exactly why today's list matters. We're breaking down 10 hot dog brands that many consumers say they'd avoid buying again, based on reputation, consistency, and customer feedback. If you've ever grabbed a pack without checking closely, this is your chance to become a smarter shopper before your next grocery run. Before we jump in, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We post honest food breakdowns every week to help you shop smarter, eat better, and avoid wasting money on products that don't live up to the hype. Let's start with the first brand you might want to think twice about. 1. Oscar Mayer Hot Dogs. Oscar Mayer is one of the most recognizable hot dog brands in the United States. Because of its long history and strong marketing presence, many shoppers automatically assume it's a reliable choice. It's widely available, affordable, and familiar, which is exactly why it often ends up in grocery carts without much thought. But familiarity doesn't always equal satisfaction, and that's where some buyers start to raise concerns. One common complaint people mention is texture. Some consumers say the hot dogs can feel overly soft or slightly rubbery, especially when boiled instead of grilled. Texture plays a huge role in how enjoyable a hot dog feels, and when it doesn't have that firm, juicy bite people expect, it can make the entire eating experience less satisfying. Even when grilled, some say the exterior doesn't always develop the crisp snap that many hot dog fans look for. Flavor is another point of mixed feedback. While some enjoy the mild taste, others feel it lacks depth compared to brands that use richer seasoning blends. Instead of a bold, savory profile, the flavor can come across as simple or slightly processed to certain buyers. For people who want a more robust hot dog taste, this can feel underwhelming. Another factor shoppers sometimes mention is consistency. Because the brand produces hot dogs on such a large scale, experiences can vary from pack to pack. Some packages taste better than others, which makes it harder for customers to know exactly what they'll get each time they purchase. Overall, Oscar Mayer remains popular due to its name recognition and accessibility, but popularity alone doesn't guarantee satisfaction. For shoppers who prioritize texture, bold flavor, and consistency, it's a brand many people say they've reconsidered after trying other options on the market. 2. Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs. Nathan's Famous is strongly associated with classic American hot dog culture, especially thanks to its long-standing reputation and connection to competitive eating events and boardwalk-style dining. Because of that legacy, many shoppers expect the same experience at home that they'd get from a freshly served stadium or street-style hot dog. But some consumers say the store-bought version doesn't always match those expectations. One of the most frequently mentioned issues is saltiness. Some buyers feel the flavor can be noticeably salty compared to other brands, which may overpower the overall taste. While seasoning is essential for flavor, balance matters, and certain consumers say the seasoning profile can feel heavy rather than savory. Texture feedback also varies. Some people enjoy the firm bite, while others feel it can lean slightly dense depending on cooking method. If not prepared carefully, the hot dogs may feel tougher than expected, especially when overcooked. Because preparation affects the result so much, experiences can differ widely from one household to another. Another thing shoppers sometimes discuss is price. Nathan's products are often positioned as premium compared to standard grocery hot dogs. When buyers pay more, they usually expect a noticeably better taste or texture. If the difference isn't obvious to them, it can lead to disappointment simply because expectations were higher from the start. Nathan's Famous still has a strong reputation and loyal fan base, but not every customer feels the supermarket version delivers the same appeal as its iconic reputation suggests. For some shoppers, that gap between expectation and reality is enough to make them consider other brands instead. 3. Ballpark Franks. Ballpark is another major name in the American hot dog aisle. style, often marketed with themes of stadium flavor and classic cookout tradition. Because of its branding, many people expect a bold, juicy hot dog similar to what you'd get at a baseball game. But some customers say their experiences don't always match that promise once they try it at home. One point often mentioned is flavor intensity. Some buyers describe the taste as milder than expected, especially compared to other brands that use stronger seasoning blends. While mild flavor isn't necessarily a bad thing, shoppers who want a rich, smoky profile sometimes feel it doesn't stand out enough. Texture is also something people talk about. Some say the hot dogs can feel softer than anticipated, particularly when heated using certain methods like microwaving or boiling. A softer texture can be fine for some preferences, but others prefer a firmer bite that feels more substantial. Another factor is perception versus expectation. The branding suggests a classic stadium-style experience, which sets a high standard before the package is even opened. When the product doesn't fully deliver that same impression, it can leave customers feeling like it didn't quite live up to the image. Ballpark remains widely purchased because of its affordability and availability, but feedback shows that not everyone is impressed after trying it. For shoppers who prioritize strong flavor and a firm texture, it's a brand some people say they've decided to skip on future grocery trips. 4. Hebrew National Hot Dogs. Hebrew National is widely known for its kosher beef hot dogs and its long-standing slogan emphasizing higher standards. Because of that positioning, many shoppers expect a noticeably superior product compared to typical grocery store hot dogs. The brand has built a strong reputation over time, but some consumers say their personal experiences haven't always matched those expectations. One commonly discussed factor is flavor balance. Some people enjoy the bold seasoning, while others feel it can be slightly intense depending on their taste preference. A strong spice profile can be appealing to some buyers, but overwhelming to others, especially if they prefer a simpler or more classic hot dog flavor. Texture feedback can also be mixed. While many fans appreciate the firm bite, others say it can feel a bit dense if cooked too long. Preparation method plays a big role here. Grilling may produce a different result than boiling or pan heating. Because of this, two people using different cooking methods may have completely different opinions of the same product. Price is another element shoppers sometimes bring up. Hebrew National hot dogs are often more expensive than standard brands, which raises expectations. When buyers pay a premium, they usually anticipate a clear difference in taste or quality. If that difference isn't obvious to them, they may feel it wasn't worth the extra cost. Hebrew National still has many loyal fans, but like any well-known product, it doesn't satisfy everyone. For shoppers who expect a dramatic upgrade because of the brand's reputation, the experience may not always match what they imagined. 5. Applegate Farms. Hot dogs. Applegate is often marketed as a premium, natural-style brand that appeals to shoppers looking for cleaner ingredient lists and more carefully sourced meat products. Because of that reputation, many people expect a noticeably better hot dog experience compared to standard grocery brands. The packaging emphasizes quality, simplicity, and transparency, which immediately raises expectations before customers even open the pack. But interestingly, feedback from some buyers shows that the experience doesn't always match those expectations. One of the most common things people mention is flavor. Some customers say the taste is milder than they anticipated, especially given the brand's premium positioning. Instead of a rich or savory hot dog profile, a few reviewers describe it as subtle or slightly plain. While a lighter flavor can appeal to some people, others feel that when they pay more for a product, they expect a stronger taste that stands out. Texture is another topic that comes up. Some buyers report that the hot dogs can feel softer than expected, particularly when heated using gentler cooking methods like steaming or microwaving. A softer bite isn't necessarily bad, but for shoppers who prefer a firmer snap or denser texture, it may feel less satisfying. Price also plays a role in perception. Because Applegate products usually cost more than typical hot dogs, customers naturally compare them against cheaper options. When the difference in taste or texture isn't dramatic, some shoppers say they don't feel the higher price is justified. Applegate still has a loyal following and a strong reputation in the natural food space, but not everyone feels the product delivers the premium experience they imagined. For buyers expecting a major upgrade from standard grocery hot dogs, it's a brand that some say didn't quite meet their personal expectations. 6. Bar S Foods. Franks. Bar S is widely known as one of the most budget-friendly hot dog brands in American supermarkets. Its biggest appeal is affordability, making it a common choice for large families, cookouts, and shoppers trying to stretch their grocery budget. Because it's so inexpensive, many people buy it expecting a basic but decent hot dog. However, this is also why it often receives mixed reviews from consumers who compare it to higher-priced brands. Flavor is a frequent topic of discussion. Some buyers say the taste is noticeably lighter or less savory than other brands. Instead of a bold, smoky profile, the flavor can come across as simple or slightly bland to certain customers. While some shoppers don't mind this, especially for kids or for use in heavily topped hot dogs, others feel it lacks the richness they prefer. Texture is another point people mention. Some customers report that the hot dogs can feel softer or less dense than expected. When cooked, they may not always develop the firm bite or snap that many hot dog fans look for. Preparation method makes a difference, but even when grilled, some buyers say the texture still feels lighter than they anticipated. Another factor influencing perception is expectation versus price. Because Bar S is positioned as a value brand, some shoppers accept that it may not match premium products, but others still hope for a stronger flavor or better bite, even at a lower cost. When it doesn't meet those expectations, they may choose a different brand next time. Bar S continues to sell well because of its affordability and availability, yet feedback shows that not everyone is impressed with the overall experience. For shoppers who prioritize taste and texture over price, it's a brand many people say they eventually move away from. 7. Sabrett hot dogs. Sabrett is famous for its association with New York-style street hot dogs, and that reputation alone gives it a strong appeal. Many people recognize the brand from food carts and expect the same classic street vendor flavor when they buy a pack from the store. Because of that connection, expectations tend to be high. But some shoppers say the at-home version doesn't always recreate that iconic experience. One point people often bring up is seasoning. Sabrett hot dogs have a distinct spice profile that some customers enjoy, but others feel it can be slightly stronger than they prefer. Taste is subjective, of course, but certain buyers say the seasoning stands out more than expected rather than blending smoothly into a balanced flavor. Texture is another factor. While many fans appreciate the firm bite, some customers say it can feel a bit dense depending on how it's cooked. Overheating or grilling too long can make the texture feel tougher, which may affect the overall eating experience. Because preparation method influences results so much, opinions can vary widely. Another thing shoppers sometimes mention is expectation based on brand image. Since Sabrett is strongly tied to street cart culture, people often anticipate a restaurant-style hot dog experience at home. If the product doesn't match that mental picture, it can lead to disappointment, even if the hot dog itself is decent. Sabrett remains a well-known and respected name, especially among fans of classic New York hot dogs. But like many iconic brands, it doesn't impress everyone equally. For shoppers expecting an exact replica of the famous street-style flavor, the store-bought version may not always deliver what they imagined. 8. Boar's Head hot dogs. Boar's Head is widely known for premium deli meats, and that reputation carries over to its hot dogs. Because the brand is often associated with higher quality products and upscale grocery selections, many shoppers expect its hot dogs to be noticeably superior to standard supermarket options. This strong reputation sets a high bar, which can sometimes lead to mixed reactions from customers. One of the most discussed factors is flavor intensity. Some buyers appreciate the rich taste, but others say it can feel heavier than expected. When people anticipate a balanced, classic hot dog flavor, a richer profile can come across as slightly overpowering, depending on personal preference. Taste expectations vary widely, so reactions differ from shopper to shopper. Texture is also frequently mentioned. Many fans like the firm bite, yet some customers report that it can feel denser than other brands. If cooked too long, this density may become more noticeable, which can affect enjoyment. Like with most hot dogs, preparation plays a major role in how the final product turns out. Price is another key consideration. Boar's Head products are usually positioned in the premium category, which means customers expect a clear difference in quality. When that difference isn't obvious to them, some shoppers feel the value doesn't match the cost. Higher price points naturally raise expectations, and if those expectations aren't fully met, it can influence whether buyers repurchase. Boar's Head still has a strong following and a reputation for quality, but not every shopper feels the hot dogs live up to the brand's upscale image. For consumers seeking a dramatic improvement over regular hot dogs, it's a brand that some say didn't quite justify the premium price. 9. Kirkland Signature Beef hot dogs. Kirkland Signature hot dogs have gained a strong reputation thanks to their connection with bulk shopping and value pricing. Many customers trust the brand because it's associated with large quantities and generally solid store brand quality. Since these hot dogs are often sold in big packs at a competitive price per unit, they're a popular choice for families, parties, and cookouts. But despite that popularity, not every shopper walks away impressed. One common point people mention is flavor strength. Some buyers feel the taste is milder than they expected, especially considering how widely praised the brand can be online. Instead of a bold, smoky profile, the flavor may come across as straightforward or slightly simple to certain customers. For shoppers who prefer strong seasoning or a rich, savory punch, that lighter taste can feel underwhelming. Texture is another factor that sometimes gets mixed feedback. Some customers say the hot dogs can feel softer than anticipated, particularly when heated using gentler methods like boiling. While grilling can improve firmness, results can still vary depending on preparation. Texture preference is very personal, but those expecting a firm snap may not always get it. Another aspect shoppers bring up is expectation. Because Kirkland products often receive positive word of mouth, buyers sometimes expect an exceptional experience rather than just just a decent one. When the product turns out to be simply average instead of outstanding, it can feel disappointing compared to the hype. Kirkland Signature hot dogs remain a practical and budget-friendly option for many households. However, for shoppers prioritizing bold taste and distinctive texture, some say they've explored other brands after trying them. 10. Smithfield Foods hot dogs. Smithfield is widely known for its meat products and has a long-standing presence in American grocery stores. Because of its reputation in the meat industry, many shoppers assume its hot dogs will deliver a strong, satisfying flavor. The brand name itself carries a sense of familiarity and trust for many buyers. But as with any widely distributed product, opinions can vary depending on personal taste and expectations. Some customers say the flavor profile can feel fairly standard rather than distinctive. While it's not necessarily unpleasant, a few buyers mention that it doesn't stand out compared to competitors that use more pronounced seasoning blends. When people expect a bold or memorable taste, a more neutral flavor can seem less exciting. Texture feedback also differs among shoppers. Some say the hot dogs feel slightly softer than anticipated, especially when prepared quickly. Others note that careful cooking can improve the bite, but consistency can vary depending on method and timing. Because hot dogs rely heavily on texture for enjoyment, even small differences can affect overall satisfaction, which means buyers expect a balance between quality and cost. When the experience feels average rather than impressive, some shoppers say they'd rather spend a little more for a brand they find more flavorful or satisfying. If you've made it this far, you've seen how not every hot dog brand lives up to the hype. But don't worry, this isn't where your options end. Just because some brands disappointed shoppers doesn't mean you have to give up hot dogs altogether. In fact, now we're switching gears. Instead of talking about brands people regret buying, let's look at a couple that many customers consistently rate higher for taste, texture, and overall satisfaction. These picks are often praised for delivering a more reliable hot dog experience that actually feels worth your money. Better choice number 1, Vienna Beef. Vienna Beef is widely respected, especially among hot dog enthusiasts who care about authentic flavor and traditional recipes. Originating from Chicago's famous hot dog culture, this brand has built a reputation for delivering a classic, well-seasoned taste that stands out from typical grocery store Franks. Many fans say the flavor feels richer and more balanced, giving it a more premium feel without being overwhelming. Texture is one of its strongest points. Customers often praise the firm bite and signature snap, which are key qualities serious hot dog fans look for. When grilled, the casing tightens slightly, creating a satisfying contrast between the outer bite and juicy interior. That combination is a big reason many people consider it a reliable choice for cookouts. Another factor people appreciate is consistency. Buyers frequently mention that the taste and texture remain dependable from pack to pack, which builds trust over time. Instead of feeling like a gamble, it's a brand shoppers feel confident picking again. For those looking for a hot dog that delivers bold flavor, solid texture, and a classic deli-style experience, Vienna Beef is often viewed as one of the more dependable options available. Better choice number 2, Dietz and Watson hot dogs. Dietz and Watson is better known for deli meats, but its hot dogs have quietly gained praise from shoppers who want something that tastes a bit more premium than standard supermarket brands. Because the company has a long history in meat production, many customers trust it to deliver a more refined flavor profile. One of the most talked about positives is seasoning balance. Fans often say the taste feels well-rounded rather than overly salty or bland. That makes these hot dogs versatile. They work just as well with simple toppings as they do with loaded chili or specialty sauces. The flavor tends to complement toppings instead of being overpowered by them. Texture also earns positive feedback. Many buyers describe the bite as firm yet juicy, giving a satisfying feel without being tough. When cooked properly, they hold their shape well and don't become mushy, which is something shoppers frequently look for after being disappointed by softer brands. Because of its reliable taste, solid texture, and deli brand reputation, Dietz & Watson is often seen as a safer pick for people who want a more satisfying hot dog experience without experimenting blindly. So there you have it, 10 hot dog brands that many shoppers say didn't meet their expectations, plus 2 that consistently stand out as safer, more satisfying picks. The truth is, not every popular product on the shelf is automatically the best choice. Branding, price, and marketing can be convincing, but real value comes down to taste, texture, and overall experience. That's why knowing which products people regret buying and which ones they keep going back to can make a huge difference the next time you shop. Lists like this aren't about telling you what you must or must not eat. They're about helping you make smarter, more informed decisions so you don't waste money on products that might disappoint you. Everyone's taste is different, but learning from common customer feedback can save you from trial and error purchases. If you enjoy honest food breakdowns like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next list. We're constantly reviewing popular foods, trending brands, and everyday grocery items to show you what's worth buying and what you might want to skip. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which hot dog brand do you think deserves the top spot, and which one would you never buy again?